Well, welcome back to Soda City Live. Earlier in the show, we talked about Buffalo Bills player Dama Hamlin, who collapsed on the field during a game last night. Now, Hamlin was administered CPR, but CPR is a life-saving skill that can be taught by anyone, not just medical professionals and wellness providers. Joining me today to share tips on providing CPR and details about other life-saving skills is registered nurse and owner of nursing instructor of Nursing Unlimited Nurses Aide Training Center, Chelsea Williams. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
It's such a pleasure, and we're going to be learning amazing skills that are definitely life-saving. But before we get into those tips for CPR, let's tell our viewers a little bit about the Nursing Unlimited program.
Okay, well, first off, once again, thanks for having me. My name is Chelsea. I am a registered nurse. Been a nurse for about 4 years, born and raised here in Columbia, South Carolina. After I graduated from nursing school, I did a little bit of travel nursing, and I decided I wanted to figure out a way to give back to my community. And I did that by opening up a nurse aide training program. So I help individuals who are interested in entering the healthcare field who would like to become certified nursing assistants. I help get them certified. So I do have a 6-week program, and also in that program, I help people get CPR certified.
Okay, now tell us a little bit about the trainings. Now, you don't have to be someone that's interested in entering the health field. You can be just anyone, like
Correct.
Our viewers that are sitting at home
Yes.
that need to learn the skill.
Yes.
How long is that class?
So just a CPR training, you can become CPR certified in 1 day.
Oh, wow.
But the good news is that any layperson, even yourself, you could do CPR training on someone without being certified.
Okay.
Yes.
Now here's my other question. Are these like group classes, or do you also do like individual classes, say someone just wants to come and learn?
I do group sessions. I do one-on-one session. You can literally become certified in, like I said, a day. So I even have hybrid learning where you can watch the videos on your own, because there is about 2-3 hour videos that you do have to watch, and then you would come into me to do your CPR training, which takes no more than about 30 minutes to learn the hands-on part of it.
All right, perfect. Well, we are going to be wrapping up on time soon, so I want us to go ahead and start with you go ahead and demonstrate to us
All right,
how
so I'm going to step up here. I'm a little short. All right, so this is our mannequin here. First, we want to make sure our scene is safe. We are going to check to make sure we don't have a pulse, that we're just not starting CPR. I like to get my hand placement right, and then I'm going to start doing my CPR, or my chest compressions. And so I literally am just going to be doing this.
Now, you said make sure they don't have a pulse, so you don't start administering CPR until you know for sure there is no pulse.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly, because we are now functioning as the heart. So the reason we are pushing down on their chest is to get the heart pumping and get blood flowing, because their heart is not working on its own.
Ooh.
Yes,
All
yes.
right. Well, we do have some full screens with the steps. You said the first step is to make sure that, you said make sure you have a safe scene. Make sure there's like no cars, anybody in a safe area.
Exactly.
Then we
assess our
the person.
patient, make sure they don't have a pulse. We do want to make sure we get someone to call 911 and get an AED. So this is the AED. I'm not going to apply this, but we will make sure we put on our AED, and then we can start our chest compressions. Yes.
And you say 100 to 120. We spoke a little bit earlier in 1 minute.
Yes.
And if you have someone else that's with you, you said that you can cycle out.
Exactly, yes. So if you would also, if you knew how to do chest compressions, we want to switch out about every 2 minutes, because that's when you start to get tired. Yes.
Alrighty, and if you're noticing that you're not getting a response, then what do you do? Especially if paramedics are on the way. Like, is there a time where you stop, or you keep going?
You're just going to keep doing it. Keep doing it. Once you call 911, they'll be there, and they'll be able to take over for you.
All right.
Yep.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time today, sharing all these details. How can folks get in touch with you?
Yes, so you can Google us. So you can find us at Nursing Unlimited Nurse Aide Training Center, and there's our phone number, website. You can also find us on Instagram at Nursing Unlimited Training CTR, and send us a message there as well.
And one more question, where are you located?
We are located on 26382 Notch Road in Suite 204, Columbia, South Carolina.
Perfect. Well, Chelsea, thank you so much again for teaching us some important life-saving skills,
Yes.
and we can come to you for more training.
Yes.
All right, perfect.
Thank you.
You're more than welcome. We'll have much more Soda City Live coming up after the break.